In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and zoom out in Google Slides, whether you're preparing for a presentation or just organizing your thoughts. Understanding how to effectively navigate Google Slides can make your task much easier and more efficient. First, head over to Google Slides. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for Google Slides or simply searching for it. Once there, make sure you're logged into your Google account. This step is crucial as it grants you access to all Google Slides features and ensures that your progress is saved securely on the cloud. After logging in, you will be directed to the Google Slides homepage. Here, you can begin a new presentation by clicking on Blank Presentation to create a slide deck from scratch or choose from a variety of templates that suit your needs. Templates are a great way to save time and add a professional touch to your presentation. Once you've opened a blank slide or selected a template, focus on the top menu bar. You should notice a zoom icon represented by a magnifying glass. To zoom in, simply click on this icon. Alternatively, if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, Windows users can hold down the Control key and press the plus key, while Mac users can hold the Command key and press plus. Zooming in allows you to view details up close, which is particularly useful for editing small text or fine-tuning visual elements. If you've zoomed in too much, zooming out is just as simple. Head back to the zoom icon and select the option to zoom out. On Windows, you can use Control and minus, and on Mac, Command and N-. Zooming out gives you a broader view of your slide layout, helping you ensure that all elements are positioned correctly and proportionally. Remember, these adjustments can be made at any point while working on your slides, giving you a flexible viewing experience. Experiment with these options during your workflow to find what suits your style best. By mastering these steps, you'll be able to manage your slides more efficiently, making your presentations not only more effective, but also more enjoyable to create. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.